Char Babez, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today you guys will be watching my interview I did with the amazing Shaunte. Shout out to you, I love you. And this interview went all the way to Excel Academy, a district in Boston. And I'm just so excited. It was in honor of Black History Month, and my business is Black owned. So I was just so thankful to be given this opportunity, and it is just amazing. Like, I just loved the process. So without further ado, let's get into it. But wait, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends if you guys want to know more about Char Babez. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
What's up, Excel? It's Charlize, the owner of Char Babez Lip Gloss and the co-owner of Amaya's Closet.
My name's Amaya. I'm the owner of Amaya's Closet and co-owner of Char Babez Lip Gloss.
And we're Char Babez Lip Gloss.
What's up, Char Babez, the up and coming young female entrepreneurs that's taking social media by storm with 17K followers and sales going all of the roof. I hear you guys are the next thing. Tell me a little bit about what inspired you guys to be young entrepreneurs. Excel is ready to hear it.
Well, thank you for having us. And my inspiration came from the in and out of my mom. She is so beautiful and inspired me to come up with a cosmetic line that sold out in 2 days.
2 days. Wow.
My inspiration came from Char, watching Char reach her goals and set new ones and just be this young boss babe, inspired me to start my own boutique.
Wow. Were you guys at all afraid of doing this? Because I hear you were like 13 years old, you were like 15 years old or something like that. And now you guys have grown a lot. But I mean, were you scared?
Yes. I was scared so much. It was the beginning of quarantine and nothing to do. So my mom surprised me with lots of versatile oils, flavors, and tubes. And I was in the kitchen, opened it up, and I noticed that this is something I really want to dive and persevere in life.
In the beginning, when Char first got her lip gloss stuff, she was definitely making a huge mess in the kitchen. She was using a whole bottle of flavoring oil on one gloss, which was really, really crazy. Really sticky, but her glosses are the best now, and I'm so proud of her.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What would you say, or what are a couple of goals of you guys as a group, individual?
I have a ton of goals for myself, Char Babez, but a few of my goals for myself is obviously to graduate high school and just live my life as I want. And for Char Babez, I would love to open vending machines all around the world where people can purchase Char Babez and open up small boutiques where they can come in and feel confident and try lip gloss and lip scrubs.
A few of my goals are obviously graduating high school, and I'm about to be June this year. And owning a car, finally just working for myself.
That is so dope. You guys get to do this whole goals and building together as a family. Who would you say that you want to give thanks to for the success of Char Babez and where you're at?
I want to thank a lot of people for my success, but mainly my mom, dad, sister, and brother, and also you. I would love to thank all you guys for always telling me to never give up, putting your time, money, and effort into my business and making me feel amazing.
I would love to thank you. Thank you for your time and for having us, my mom and my sister and all of my other family members for just believing in both of us and letting us do what we love.
That's so great. All right, I hear that you guys have something special for Excel. It's a reveal. I haven't even got a chance to see it. So tell me what you got popping that was whipping up in the kitchen. Not only do you have Black History shirts for Excel, but you have
gloss. It's Excel gloss.
Woo! The colors?
Sparkly blue, sparkly yellow, and it has your logo right in the middle.
And we also have a special offer for you guys. The code is
Excel40. So if you decide to purchase, use code Excel40 to get 40% off your entire order.
Wow. Thank you, Char Babez. Yes. So I hear that not only are you giving back, you're young entrepreneurs, your family, and you're connected, but you do love to inspire. So what is it about?
Char Babez is about inspiring girls and like by doing lip gloss and doing what a lot of people like, as in selling little girls like, I feel like I'm teaching them to do what they love.
Yes, definitely bringing awareness and just letting young people know, that they can become a young entrepreneur and work for them.
And also advocates of breast cancer awareness. We have been in contact with a lot of people who survived from breast cancer, and they have bought our bundles and told us that they're thankful and that they love the bundles.
That is so good. Giving back as well. Well, Char Babes, thank you for coming. And it's time for us to go. Do you have anything to give Excel before we head out?
Thank you for having us
So much.
And don't forget,
It's all about the lips.
It is all about the lips. Lips popping, and we are out. Bye, ladies. Thank you so much.